Before buying an Agm battery for your RV, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Wise Deep Cycle Agm. First up, we have the Wise Deep Cycle Agm 12-volt 100Ah battery. At $159.99, this battery caught my attention with its solid 4.5-star rating from over 20,000 reviews. If you want a reliable, maintenance-free option, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this battery stands out. It operates in a wide temperature range from 14 degrees F to 122 degrees F, making it suitable for various conditions. The best part, it has a low self-discharge rate of just 13% per month. If you're storing it, this matters because it means less frequent recharging. Now, some people complained about its weight, coming in at 57 pounds. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable battery for RVing or off-grid living. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Product number 2, Renagi Deep Cycle Agm 200Ah. Next on the list is the Renagi Deep Cycle Agm battery, which packs a punch at 200Ah for $311.89. With a 4.4-star rating from about 1,200 reviews, it's a popular option for serious RV enthusiasts. If you want high capacity for longer trips, this is definitely worth considering. That means it can power everything from your fridge to your lights without any hiccups. Plus, it has a self-discharge rate below 3%, which gives you peace of mind when storing it. The wide operating temperature range is also a significant plus, ensuring it works well even in colder climates. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky to install. Honestly, if you have limited space in your RV, this might be a challenge. But if you're looking for capacity and longevity, that trade-off might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you go on extended trips and need reliable power. Skip this if your RV has limited space for batteries, but the investment can pay off for frequent travelers. Product number 3, Renagi Deep Cycle Agm 100Ah. The third product is another from Renagi, the Deep Cycle Agm 12-volt 100Ah battery, priced at $134.75. With a solid 4.4-star rating and over 2,200 reviews, it's a trusted option. If you're looking for a balance of power and price, this one's worth a look. Its low self-discharge rate and exceptional performance in extreme temperatures really set it apart. Whether you're RVing in the summer heat or winter chill, this battery can handle it without issue. Now, some users noted that it's slightly heavier at 63.9 pounds compared to other models. But here's the thing, the performance and safety it offers make it a worthwhile investment for those who need reliability. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable battery without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight, but it provides great value for the price. Product number 4, Optimer Registered Bluetooth Agm battery. Coming in at $319.99 is the Optimer Registered Battery's high-performance 34M Bluetooth Registered. With a 4.4-star rating from almost 500 reviews, this battery promises reliability for starting and deep cycle needs. If you want a battery that can do both, keep listening. The spiral cell technology ensures better performance and durability, resisting vibrations that could damage typical batteries. For RVers who need a battery that can withstand rough conditions, this is important. However, I've seen some complaints about its price as it's on the higher end. But if you need a battery that will last longer and perform better, the upfront cost might be worth it in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a dual-purpose battery for your RV. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option, but you do get what you pay for here. Product number 5. Mighty Max Battery MMG27M. Last but not least, we have the Mighty Max Battery MMG27M priced at $229.99. With a 4.5-star rating from around 1,600 reviews, it's known for its dual-purpose capabilities. If you want both starting power and deep discharge, this could be the one. Its spill-proof, maintenance-free design is a huge plus for peace of mind while on the road or at the campsite. Plus, Plus, it's durable enough to withstand the rigors of off-grid living. On the downside, some users found it didn't last as long as they expected under heavy use. Here's the thing, if you're primarily using it for short trips, you'll likely be fine, but heavy users might need to consider a different option. This is perfect for you if you need reliable power for both starting and electronics in your RV. Skip this if you plan to use it heavily every day, but it offers great versatility. So there you have it. From the Wise 100 AH for budget-conscious RVers to the powerful Renagi 200 AH for serious adventurers, there's something here for every need. Whether you want maintenance-free convenience or durability, these Agm batteries have you covered. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and enjoy your RV journeys.